Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name in PUBG Mobile. So let's get right into it. So first, we start off in the main menu of PUBG. So for you to change your name, first off, you need to go into the inventory at the bottom right. Then you scroll to the far right as you can see and open up the last option that resembles a box or a crate. And here you should have a rename card. But if you don't worry, just exit this, then press the shop button. Then go into treasures and you scroll down and here is the rename card. You select it and in the bottom left you need to press the button to purchase. I don't have any of the currency to purchase it myself, so I can do it. But after you have done this, you go back to inventory, back to the crate, and it will be there. You select it and you press use, and afterwards it will ask you to write your new name and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.